Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and I wanted to talk to you about when you receive your e-bike, what it looks like. So this is called a HeyBike. It's the 20 amp hour, 750 watt Explorer, 26-inch rims with puncture resistant tires. They sent this to me a month ago. But when you receive it, it looks a lot like this, but in a box. And what you'll get is pedals, a manual, some tools to work on it, and a charger. This takes about 4 hours to charge this bike, 4 to 6 hours. So let's put this together. Get yourself some wire cutters. These are industrial strength scissors. So the only things that you really need to put together is your front tire, your handlebars, and your seat. Sometimes you'll have to put a headlight on or a fender, front and back fender. If you buy these separate, which it comes stock on the Explorer, you'll have to install that as well. So let's put it together. Now let's put on the handlebars. Get rid of this, hold on to that. Let's get on the bike and adjust our handlebars to our tire. Don't worry about adjusting your seat just yet. Perfect. Now, the brakes are a little bit high. I'm going to lower them. You want them at a 15-degree angle, or just where you can, this is safety, so you want to be able to grab these without lifting your hand way up and putting them down. So I'm going to adjust this, first bring them down just a little bit. All right, let's put on the headlight. It's got blue Loctite. and a lock washer, and a lock nut, which is nice. Nice. The same Allen wrench that does your handlebars does the light as well. Let's put on the pedals. Receive your pedals. One's going to be a left-handed thread, the other one will be a right-handed thread. It says it on here. I'll just take this off. And it also says right and left. So this says left pedal, and we'll put it on the, can you see that? Put that in my face. Left, that says L. Make sure you tighten this. I've had this come off while I was 120 miles from my truck. Make sure you bring these tools. We got both the pedals on. I'm gonna just take all the rest of this wrapping stuff off on this side. Now this bike came with the chain off of it, so we're going to put that on, which is really simple. It's not like it used to be, where you had to turn it upside down. There we go. And barely put it on and spin the wheel. We don't have to do that anymore. All right. Let's put the front fender on. And let's charge it up. I've made a mistake putting the light bulb on, the light on, before I put this on as well. It's got a tab on here that's supposed to go on, hooked up with this as well. So I'm gonna have to take this off. But this is made of plastic. For this bike to have a 220 amp hour battery and a 750 watt motor, this thing will go 70 miles roughly with my gear and everything on it. It all depends. I've taken these 20 amp hour batteries 20 miles to 60 miles. It depends on the terrain and everything else, but this is $1,500. This is a very inexpensive bike. Typically this motor and battery takes is usually in the $1,999, $2,000 range. But let me put this on. Let's see. And don't tighten anything up. Just get a thread started. Now let's put on the headlight. There we go. And then tighten these sides. There it is. There it is. Let me double tighten this one more time just to make sure, because I do not want to deal with this while I'm in the field. Nice. All right. Now let's charge it. HeyBike has a unique way of charging it. I've never seen this type of cord before, but it's a 3-prong. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a, there you go. It's a 3-prong. Here's the charger. I have it plugged in. And every bike I've gotten, they have been charged, but it has been super cold here. And it shows an indication on here as a green light. So when this turns, I'm sorry, this is red. So when it turns green, it is fully charged. But I'm really impressed with this bike. For 1,500 bucks, you get a lot. But we're gonna go test it out. So I'm gonna adjust the seat height, and the next video you see will be on an adventure with this bike. It's winter camping, so I might bring a hot tent because it's so far with the weather I've seen, it's looking like 13 degrees, 19 degrees at nighttime. So I'll probably have a trailer hooked up to this. Thank you for watching.